Hey, welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a pixel art that has the formatting on a separate sheet into something that you can use in your classroom if the content does not suit your needs on the original one. So I got this pixel art off of Pixel Art Mysteries in Education, a Facebook group created by Mimi, and I reformatted it to suit Spanish. So right now, this is what it looked like when I first made a copy of it. And then I turned it into something that looks like this, so that when the students conjugate their verbs, like dibujar goes to dibujan for mis amigos, then the image starts to show up. And at the end, once they have all the answers, it'll look like this right here on the left-hand side. So all you have to do is, I would suggest you first make a copy of this so that you keep the original in case you want to change it again to something else. So make your copy and then go through where it says question 1 through, I think, 13, and then change the questions to what you want them to be. And then what you'll do is you'll just go to sheet 2 and you'll plug in the answers for 1 through 13 in the little area that is down just a little ways. There it is right there. Usually just scroll down a little bit and you'll see them. So you don't need to change anything in the question column, but just change your answers to the right answers. So if you look at mine, for example, on my sheet 2, that answer for number 1 was dibujan. And then I go through and I change it to what I want it to be. So if again, if you're using this for Spanish, all you want to do is change these questions to something you want to use for your Spanish class, and then go into that sheet 2, and then change the answers to suit your new questions. And then what you want to do to get it to your students is first make sure all of your answers are deleted from the pixel art. So it looks just like this. And then you're going to click the share button up here in the top right. You're going to change it so that it's anyone on the internet with this link can view, and then copy it, but you're not quite done yet. And then what you're going to do is when you send it to your students, you'll paste the link into wherever it is you're putting it, cut off the very end where it says edit, and change it to copy. And then copy that link and send it to your students. And then when they open it, it will create them their own copy and they can start plugging in their own answers. Hope this helped, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios.